Good morning, everyone. I'm Tanya, and this is Creations with Tanya. Today, I am going to keep going on with my 70s palette for the collaboration that I'm doing on the 22nd of May with some fellow artists. I will put their links in the description box below. Go check them out, and their art is awesome. I'm still using the orange colors with the reds and the yellows, so my main color is the Cadmium Orange, Artist Loft Professional, and then I've mixed these two together to give me sort of a deeper reddish orange color. And then I've also used the brilliant yellow Artist Loft with the cadmium orange. And with the blues, I have used Amsterdam Expert Phthalo Turquoise Blue right here. And I've mixed Lagoon together. So this is just Lagoon, this little Piggy. So I mixed these two together, which made, I did actually put some Lagoon in with this Phthalo Turquoise Blue. So for that one. And then for this one, I added the Windsor Newton Phthalo Blue with the Lagoon. So there's that one. And then Lagoon. This little Piggy. And my cell activator is Amsterdam Titanium White with the Australian Floetrol. So I'm gonna just put my pillow paint on with Glidden Essentials white base. And once I've done that, spread it out, I'll come back and we'll start a pour. I'm gonna do a swipe. Not sure if it's gonna work, but let's try it out. If not, we can do another one. See you shortly. All right, so I have my pillow base down, and the colors I'm gonna use are Cadmium Orange by Artist Loft. It's professional. This is the orange, and this is what it looks like I'm using. And I've mixed up my own colors with this orange. I've added deep red with the orange to make this sort of reddish orange color. And I have used yellow with the orange as well to make this sort of yellowy orange color. And they're all Artist Loft. And I am going to use, it is Amsterdam Phthalo Turquoise Blue is what I'm using here. You can see that. And I've added Lagoon TLP, this little Piggy, in it. So it's got a really nice shimmer to it. So, and then I have used, I think it is, yes, it is Phthalo Blue by Windsor Newton, and I've added the Lagoon to this, and I am using Lagoon as well from this little Piggy. My cell activator is Amsterdam White with Australian Floetrol, and I'm going to do a swipe. And this time I am going to do like a swipe like this. So I think I'm gonna do a bunch of little little lines like maybe here and here and here, and then swipe, maybe, or maybe just two. And this is sort of what I'm going for. So yeah, swipe. So the darker in the middle, the light are on the outside. So let's go with this. And I think I like the idea of having it sort of on a diagonal as well. I hope you guys do. And my pillow paint, of course, is Glidden Essentials Interior Paint, white base, eggshell. So let's just see what happens. We'll go here. Totally different. All right, well, I will get cleaned up here, scrape the sides, put it over to the side, scrape the sides, and then I will bring you in for a close-up. I will be back shortly. Here's the other one. And I'll go in. Please let me know what you think. Comment below. Any suggestions of color combinations? these colors just make me feel really happy. I think it's the brightness of the colors. Sorry. There we go. Go out here. And there. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, comment below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.